Toast Loyalty is a simple, integrated rewards program that you can use to increase revenue and drive repeat visits. With Toast's loyalty program, your guests can enroll, earn, and redeem rewards across the Toast platform. Guests can sign up through multiple avenues, such as a link posted on your website or when placing an online order. Once signed up, guests can start earning points with every purchase made at your restaurant. These points are recorded through a phone number, email address, or credit card linked to their loyalty account. Once guests have earned enough points, they can redeem them for rewards that you set for your restaurant, like a free beverage or a discounted combo meal. Today, you'll learn everything you need to know to set up your program so guests can begin enrolling and start earning points. Before we configure your program settings, let's go over the ways your guests can sign up across the Toast platform, as well as how they'll earn and redeem their points. Toast can prompt dine-in guests to sign up during checkout on terminals, guest-facing displays, order and pay, and on kiosks. For digital orders, you can also prompt guests to enroll before submitting their order through Toast Online Ordering or the Toast Takeout app. Once signed up, they'll receive a welcome email or a text message with information about your loyalty program. This will include a link to their e-loyalty card, where they can find their point balance and their progress toward earned rewards, information about earning and redeeming points, and payment cards that have been linked to their loyalty account. Staff members can also add a guest loyalty account to a check on a terminal or Toast Go at any time. Managers with user permissions can also manually adjust rewards balances in Toast Web. Once a guest has accrued enough points for a reward, Toast will automatically prompt them to redeem their reward or save it for later. When a loyalty account is entered manually, or a guest's e-loyalty card is scanned, a window will pop up on the POS that'll give an option for the server to select Redeem. Guests that are signed into their account when using online ordering or Toast Takeout will also be given the option to redeem their rewards before submitting their order. Now let's go over how to configure your loyalty program and manage how your guests earn points. This is done in Toast Web by navigating to Guest Engagements, Loyalty, Loyalty Program Setup. Start by turning the program on by using the toggle on the top right of the page. The next section gives you multiple tabs with options to customize your program. The Points and Rewards tab will allow you to set how much your guests will need to spend to earn a point and the dollar value for each point earned. You can also adjust the minimum amount they have to spend to unlock cashback rewards. For example, if you'd like guests to earn a $5 bonus after spending $50, you can change these settings so guests earn 1 point for every dollar spent, set each point to be worth 10 cents, and have a minimum spend value of $50. The Bonus Points and Perks section includes options to give your guests additional points through specific bonuses, like ordering at a certain day and time, and using different dining options. For example, you could offer your guests double points on Tuesdays or for takeout orders. You can also give your guests a sign-up bonus or a birthday reward. Below the bonuses, you can opt into alerts for suspicious loyalty account activity. This section also shows you where you can exclude parts of your menu from the program. Once finished with this section, scroll back up to complete the other tabs. Under Branding, you can add a program name and description. Under Channels, you can choose your guests' required sign-up method and where they can enroll and redeem points. Make sure to save and publish when you're finished configuring all of your settings. You're now ready to get the word out about your loyalty program through your restaurant's website, social media pages, and email. Select the Promote Loyalty tab to find links to where your guests can sign up for your program or look up their rewards. If you had a previous loyalty program at your restaurant, you can transfer the guest data and point balances into Toast so your guests can continue to redeem their rewards seamlessly. To learn more, check out our Toast Central article on importing loyalty information. You can get a clear picture of your regulars with detailed reporting, as well as customer contact information through the Reports section of Toast Web. Under Guest Engagement, select the Guest Information Report, where you can download your customer information in an Excel file. With Toast Email Marketing, you can use this data to easily create campaigns to let your guests know about your loyalty program. That's it. Your loyalty program is now activated, and you're ready to begin sharing your new program with your guests. For more information about Toast Loyalty, visit us at central.toasttab.com.